Ever wondered what powers your smartphone, laptops, and even electric vehicles? The answer is semiconductors. They're the invisible heroes behind our modern tech world. But are semiconductors really the future of technology? And should you consider a career in this field? Let's explore. What are semiconductors? Semiconductors are materials like silicon that can control electricity. Think of them as traffic signals for electrical energy, allowing, blocking, or directing it as needed. They're used to make chips, which are tiny brains that power devices like phones, computers, cars, and even satellites. Why are semiconductors the future? Tech revolution. Everything from AI, 5G, and self driving cars to smart homes runs on semiconductors. As tech grows, the demand for chips will skyrocket. Global dependency. Countries are racing to dominate semiconductor production, making it a highly strategic industry. Innovation. From quantum computing to advanced healthcare devices, semiconductors are at the core of every groundbreaking technology. If we talk about career opportunities in semiconductors, there are many job roles: IoT engineers, chip designers, testers, and researchers. Talking about fields, these are the fields have most demand in semiconductor like electronics, telecommunications, AI, automotive, and renewable energy. In this field, salary is high demand means great pay. For instance, semiconductor engineers earn top-tier salaries worldwide. What skills needed to start a career? Focus on electronics, electrical, or materials and computer and machine learning, digital computer engineering. If we talk about skills, so you need to focus on learn chip design using tools like VLSI, programming, and basic physics. A lot of tool there which engineers used to do for development and testing. You need to focus on those also. Talk about experience. If you're fresher, try to get hands-on as intern with tech companies which is working on this field like ARM, NVIDIA, and AMD research labs to get practical experience. Why now is the best time? Chip shortage. The global chip shortage has created massive demand for skilled professionals. Government support, countries like India, the USA, and China are investing billions in chip making industries. Sustainability. Semiconductors are key to renewable energy solutions like solar panels and EVs. Semiconductors aren't just a career choice, they're the backbone of our future. If you want to be part of the next tech revolution, now is the time to dive in. So, what do you think? Ready to explore the semiconductor field? Share your thoughts below and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech insights.